Hello, my name is Sarah Duong. I am a project manager and consultant at Concentrus. Today, I want to show you how to add a financial section in one of your financial statements. In my example here, I chose the income statement. It's best to start off with one of the native reports and customize it from there. So the difference between these two reports are the cost of sales section. So under the native report, cost of sales is one separate section. In the customized report that I'm about to show you, I've split those two sections up into a COG section and into a cost of sales section. And I'm going to show you how I added that COG section and split out the accounts so that they show up separately in each section. I'm going to expand this. So the first thing I went to is go to customizations. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to under this layout, there's this add row and section drop down. Click on add financial section. And you're going to create a new section here and click OK. I'm going to cancel out of here because I've already created one. And now you see that my two sections here is COGS and cost of sales. I'm going to click on COGS. This is the one I actually added that was not native to the original income statement. What you'll see here is it'll ask you for the header, label. It'll ask you if it's a child of in the terms of a separate section, which I put it as under the ordinary income expenses. It's going to ask, do you want it to automatically expand all the account information or collapse the account information? We're going to click expand for now. And what are you going to group it by? This is going to be a group by account numbers because I chose accounts, or you can group it by departments, location, and other segmentations. Okay, so what I've done here is originally, all of the cost of sales accounts were chosen as the account type. Okay, so originally the account type was selected and it was cost of sold. So any of the GL accounts that have cost of goods sold as a type, they will show up under that section. However, what I did was I took those accounts and I separated them. So in your section here under the filters, you are able to select specific accounts you want to associate with each section. So as you can see here, this section, I added cost of goods sold and cost of goods sold purchases. And under the cost of sales, I kept these three other accounts right here. Okay, so simply put, after you've done that, after you added the section, added your labels, and decided what to add under each account section, all you have to do is click Save. And then you'll see your new section here. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Concentrus.